So here's how to send money via Remitly. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Remitly account. After that, here at this page you have to simply add the details. To add the details, you have to start with adding the payment that you want to send. Here you can also select your currency type. If you want to change your location, you can also change your location here. After adding the amount and changing your currency, then you have to click on the continue. Moving to the next step is here you have to select the delivery method. For now, I'm gonna select the bank deposit option. You can select any of the delivery options that you want. After that, select the bank name to which you want to transfer the funds. After selecting your desired bank name, click on the next. Now here at this page, you have to enter the IBAN number or account number and then click on the continue. Once you click on the continue, now it will ask you to enter your PIN. After entering your PIN, you will be successfully able to transfer funds to another account. So that's how to transfer money from Remitly.